In just 3 steps, I'm going to teach you how to create an AI-generated headshot photo of yourself from a reference photo of you for free. Step 1, find an AI-generated photo that you want yourself to look in. So Google is the best source for this. So we're going to say AI-generated headshot of a man in a suit. So go to images. As you can see, they all look pretty good. Let's do this one. Licensable, this is great. So now we copy that image. We're going to go to Gemini or any other AI tool. We paste the image in. Step 2, by the way, this is step 2. And I say, describe this photo with detail. Because I want AI to recreate this photo. Perfect, this is good. This is good. This is all very good. This is a very detailed description of the photo, which is perfect. The more detailed, the better. So now we're going to go to Grok because Grok does this stuff for free. But before I do anything, I first have to get the photo of myself. So I get the photo of me, which I will show you what it looks like. Here's me. Maybe, let's take a look at this one actually. Yeah, this one seems a little better. You can see I'm wearing a chain. Let's do a quick look. Yeah, maybe this one's better. Okay, fine, we'll use this one. Not the best photo of me, but whatever, a photo. So I'm gonna paste in the prompt that I got from Gemini. This is step 3, by the way. And I'm gonna say, transform the picture into a photo of a medium shot, and let's see what it does. So now it's going to create the picture, and yeah, let's see how it does, because I have no idea if it's going to be good or not, but I've tested this in the past with another photo, and it was quite good. So let's see. Here we go. Not bad. Not quite me, but it's definitely an older version of me, that's for sure. So there you go. Just for reference, I will show you a chat that I just had. No, not this one. And here we go. Yeah, I took this photo and it turned to this. And as you can see, this is actually quite good. Look at it side by side. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.